guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna talk about fashion in Emily in Paris. Did you watch season 3 on Netflix? I love Emily in Paris. There are so much drama in there. Also, you can enjoy all different kinds of fashion. Chic Paris style, very vibrant color, and then so many different material. There is a fur, so many pattern, like plaid pattern or like checkered pattern, or like sequin dress or jacket. I will show you one by one. So this one is from H&M. She is wearing lavender or purple color big frill jacket. It's from H&M. I couldn't get the jacket because it was already sold out. You can wear bolero or like some cardigan on it, so you don't need to wear just by itself. I matched this top with very simple black jean. It could be kind of too much over the top style. It's very romantic style. I'm surprised that H&M brings very like unique style, and it's not just like cheap material only. Kind of very unique bold style as well. Sometimes I check special edition or limited edition. I love this volume on the frill. So you can match like black jean or black pants or slacks. Also, you cannot miss this kind of beret for the Paris style. So I gonna show you some style. First of all, let me show you like basic style. She was mixed match with basic like skirt or pants with kind of very colorful, vibrant color top. So one of the top I liked was sweater, vibrant color, mixed sweater. This is the sweater I found. I found the UK brand, very unique style. You know, when you think of British girl look style, very street fashion in UK, Nasty Gal. They have so many vibrant color, material, and they have so many party look, like party dress, like evening dress, sequin jacket, so many things. So I'm gonna show you one by one. They have so many different kind of beret. They had the pink beret, knit beret, but I got just simple black beret, basic style first. Yeah, but I love this beret. I can mix match with any kind of style. I'm gonna put link in description box so you can find if you are interested. Size is a little bit tricky. Some of the clothes from Nasty Gal, I got a little bit bigger size than I thought. The size 8 was US size 8. So from Emily in Paris, you can see very similar style. Metallic color matches well with this vibrant, different color sweater, unexpectedly. So I really love this style. So I got from ASOS, this metallic denim skirt, and this one from Nasty Gal. You can match with any denim, but I love this like kind of bright denim color. This denim jean I got from River Island, also UK brand as I know, European size 10 is like US size 6 as I know. A little bit stretched but not too much, but it's comfortable. You can match with any kind of colorful sweater. Also got a very romantic dress from River Island. Emily is wearing with a coat, so I wanted to show Parisian romantic style. This is like kind of sakura pink, so I love it. I was wearing with this jean. You can wear as an off-shoulder style as well. Yeah, this one I got from River Island. I'm gonna match this dress with fur coat. Oh my gosh, see this fur coat? You know, this can be a little bit over the top style. When you go to party, you can wear like any evening dress and wear this fur coat. I got this from ASOS. Brand was Miss Selfridge. You can find this kind of similar style anywhere, but like this was like $100, pretty good price. Yeah, it was not even on sale, but it was like $100. Yeah, I love this style. I'm gonna match together inside. I mix match with this dress and this denim. 3 of these items together. It can be a little bit casual, but very romantic, feminine style. Next one, I got this one from Nasty Gal again. I got by mistake UK size 10. Kind of too big. It shows US 6 size. So it was not too big, but I think I could size down to US size 4, UK size like 8. I love this Houndstooth big pattern, pink and beige together. It matches well with any like denim jean with a white top. Emily wore this kind of big Houndstooth style coat. Next one is kind of I think she was wearing colorful checkered. Love this mixed color. There's kind of neon colors mixed. You can just wear with any jean like this, or just black jean. Inside you can wear just a simple like solid color black or white top like sweater, and black jean or just any denim jean will fit US size 8. and UK size 12. I like snug fit for this kind of style, so I love this pattern and the color. Next one is also pattern jacket. Emily was wearing mixed color in pastel tone, so I wanted to find something similar, and this is perfect, similar style. You can just mix match with any kind of light blue jean. You can mix match with any denim with like white top with this beret, boyfriend fit. Next one is this very unique sequin jacket. This one is from Nestle again. They have a lot of sequin style. Usually I don't wear sequin unless there's like a year-end party or something special event. But this one, if you wear like all black inside, black jumpsuit, black and silver tone sequin together. Emily was wearing zebra pattern dress. I think it's a dress or top. So cute. Totally British style. Party look. So I love it. It's from Nasty Gal. They had even same pattern sequin dress match with this jacket. But if you match with that dress, it's so beautiful. But you can match with any all black inside for party look. Very glamorous, fancy look for any party event. What is your favorite look? Let me know. How was my video today? Hope you enjoyed today. See you. Bye.